So hey guys, today I'll show you how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10. But first we should know what is VirtualBox. So it is an open source virtualization product to install any other operating system into your current working operating system without disturbing it. So you can install Linux, Windows 7, Windows XP or any other operating system which is available in the market into your current working PC inside your current working operating system. So for example, I have Windows 10. Presently I am using Windows 10 and I want to install Ubuntu Linux. So I can install for that I have to install VirtualBox first, and inside VirtualBox I can install Ubuntu Linux and any other operating system if I want to. Then I can use it both parallelly. So there is a minor difference between virtualization and dual boot. So in virtualization you are taking a small part of your hard drive, that means in local disk, and you are reserving for any other operating system, so that if you want to use it you can directly open through your current working operating system, and you can use it parallelly, so it won't affect your operating system. But such as in dual boot, you are installing other operating system into the same local disk where your current operating system is already available, and because of it your system just getting slowed down. So I'll prefer you to use VirtualBox instead of going to dual boot. So how to install it? So for that first we have to download VirtualBox. So we can see I have already opened my browser, and we'll type VirtualBox here. Yeah, I have already typed it before itself. And here, okay, there is a site, Oracle VMware VirtualBox. We have to open it. Sorry for my net. And see, we can see here there is a big picture like download VirtualBox 6.1, which is currently a latest version when I am installing it. So for further information you can just read this article. So for downloading I'll just click on it and it takes me to another page. So here, by downloading you agree to the some blah blah is there. You can, if you want to, you can read it if you have so much time. So I have Windows 10 now, so I'll go with Windows host here. Okay, as it was just downloaded, I'll just open it. Okay, it directly asking me to install, so I'll just click on next, and see here there is a location tab. So I just want to change my path, but it's your wish. If you want to change, you can change. Otherwise I'll just go with my normal path where I usually install all my softwares. And I typed VirtualBox so that it creates a folder of VirtualBox, and inside that folder it will just download whatever the packages it want to. So after that I just clicked OK, and now I want to click next, and yeah, next, and finally yes, and last install. Okay, I'll just agree with this, and now it's going copying and whatever the stuff it will do in just background. Okay, so here VirtualBox installation is almost completed, so I just click on finish. It's open. So this is how VirtualBox looks like at first, and here you can install any other operating system, but I'll recommend you to have a 2 GB RAM for using any other operating system, so that you will be having a decent performance into your PC. If you are having a low grade PC, like that, low end PC, so that's it. This is how VirtualBox looks like, and this is how we install VirtualBox. That's all for today. Thank you.